reused pampas grass is important. Yeah, just like working with feathers. Feathers need to just be trimmed again, sharpen them up for another stabbing. Da da da. Definitely not an outdoor wreath. Not everyone knows what pampas grass is. Most people that order it do, but not everyone. They might think they're gonna hang it on their front door in the middle of winter and be surprised when it falls apart in an hour. Well, I don't know. It's not gonna fall apart, but the pampas grass wouldn't do very well, I don't think, outside for very long. How's that look? Is that looking like it's all the way around, or do I need a couple more pieces? I mean, it's gonna have another layer, but the first layer looks good, even. So now we're doing the second layer of pampas grass. So this layer is gonna be outside the other layer, a little bit farther back on the green foam. And I like to kind of set it up at the same angle as the front, so they're all flowing like a wreath. And I like to kind of do like space them out a little bit to make sure I have the right shape that I want. I'm gonna fill in between all of the ones I just poked through. I'm gonna do 2 on this one. And rotate. Sometimes I do this on the cocktail table that spins, and that makes it pretty fun. I don't have to like pick it up and manually move it, but so this layer behind we could do in a different color pampas grass as well. That kind of gives it another dimension, but since we're doing Christmas, this is like snowy white, so I kind of love it. Snowy white pampas grass is more pricey than the darker one because it's been bleached and dyed and worked on, so there's just more steps to making it this pretty and fluffy and white. We need more? We still have more. Maybe we did. Maybe I did do more. Plus, it always looks much better if you don't have that green foam sticking out somewhere. It's not something that you want to give someone for Christmas. Like, here's some green foam. It's like something that got grinched. Like, we do this beautiful wreath and then it got affected by grinch. You can tell. wow, this came out really cool. I'm loving it. So this is, I believe, called silver dollar eucalyptus, and it's real, just like the pampas grass is real. It's just dried, but it smells amazing. Fair warning, and fresh materials are a little bit more fragile, but I think just so much nicer looking. And if real is important, then definitely the way to go. Some people prefer the stuff that's not real because it may hold up longer. So it's just a matter of preference, I suppose. Whether it's real or fake or whatever the material is, doesn't always hold up very long anyway, so sometimes short-lived, super beautiful stuff is worth it. Putting some towards the back, some a little further forward. This is kind of like a triple layer arrangement. How are we looking? Does it look like pretty well evenly spread out? I kind of love it simple just like this too. I don't want these going like inside my circle too much. Stems are so fragile, it's breaking the whole way down. Make sure it doesn't look like a mustache over here. To get into this styrofoam too. Still putting it all in the same direction as the pampas grass. Just kind of weaving it in there. Now, if you're not doing a holiday arrangement, you could just put the 3 roses in there. Like so. And be kind of done with it. But since this could be a really beautiful Christmas arrangement, we're gonna put these in. Some bells. Cool. That's pretty. Again, you could just leave it there. We're just adding more and more steps. So if you want it simple, keep it like that. Recommended to use wire cutters because your scissors will break. Okay, so we're going to put 3 of the prettiest silk roses ever. They actually feel real. And I love that they have a really natural like curl to them too. So pretty special flowers here. They are not going to go in easy for this one. This is so pretty. I don't even want to put the red in now.